Setting up custom properties in HubSpot. Welcome to this video on setting up custom properties in HubSpot, a powerful tool for managing your marketing and sales data. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the steps to create and manage custom properties in HubSpot, helping you to tailor your marketing efforts to your specific needs. To get started, log in to your HubSpot account and navigate to the Properties tab. From here, you can view all of your existing properties, as well as create new ones. To create a new custom property, click on the Create Property button and select the type of property you want to create, such as a text, checkbox, or date field. Once you've created your custom property, you can start populating it with data. To do this, navigate to the Contact or Company record where you want to add the property, and click on the Properties tab. From here, you can select the custom property you created and entered the relevant data. Custom properties can be incredibly useful for segmenting your data and creating targeted marketing campaigns. For example, you could create a custom property to track the source of a lead or to indicate whether a contact has opted in to receive marketing emails. By setting up custom properties in HubSpot, you can unlock a range of advanced features and improve your overall marketing and sales performance. So why not give it a try and see how it can benefit your business? If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using HubSpot and other marketing tools. Don't forget to like and comment below if you have any questions or need further assistance.